Hello everyone, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel Naukri Samachar. Guys, in this part of the video, I will be explaining about the ESIC Assistant Professor Recruitment 2024. So notification are out for 287 posts. You can apply for this post and I will be explaining in detail. So please do watch the whole video and stay tuned till the last to get the clarification about these vacancies. So, Employees State Insurance Corporation under the Ministry of Labor and Employment, Government of India has released a notification for the recruitment of assistant professors in ESIC, PGIMSRS, and medical colleges on a direct recruitment basis. The recruitment drive aims to fill 287 vacancies in various specialties. The application process closes on 31st of January 2025 for most reasons. So ESIC Assistant Professor. For the post of Assistant Professor, job location is across India. Pay level is 11. Upper age limit is 40 years. Application mode is offline. Official website esic.gov.in. Notification release date was on 13th of December. Last date to apply is 31st January 2025. Last date for remote areas is 7th February 2025. ESIC Assistant Professor Recruitment. So 500 fee, application fees for journal OBC or EWS category. No fee is for SC, ST, PWD, female or ex-serviceman. Mode of payment is demand draft, which is DD. ESIC Assistant Professor Recruitment vacancies, eligibility criteria, qualification, age limit. I have given you the vacancies distribution across various medical specialties such as anatomy, biochemistry, general medicine and others. So you can have a look at the categorization, the specialties and the various vacancies available for the various categories. So if we talk about the eligibility criteria for the medical candidates, education qualification is MD or MS or DNB in a relevant specialty with at least 3 years of teaching experience as senior resident tutor or equivalent. For dentistry, MDS in a respective discipline with 3 years of teaching experience. For non-medical masters or doctorate degrees in the relevant subject with 3 years of teaching experience. Age limit maximum age of 40 years. Relaxable for SC, ST, OBC, PWD as per government norms. Pay scale level is pay level 11 plus other allowances such as DHRA and NPA. So if we talk about the professor recruitment selection process, it will be based on the interview and the tie-breaking criteria. Candidates will be shortlisted based on the eligibility and called for an interview. If two or more candidates secure the same marks, age and other factors will be considered. How to apply for ESIC Assistant Professor vacancies. The duly filled and signed application form in the performa appended below along with self-attested copies of certificates is to be sent in a superscribed application for the post of Assistant Professor for medical institutions, preferably by speed post, so as to reach the following address by 31/2025. Address to send the application form is already given, like I will be explaining. The regional director, ESI Corporation, Panchdeep Bhavan, Sector 16, near Lakshmi Narayan Mandir, Faridabad 1210002, Haryana. This is the address. ESIC Assistant Professor Recruitment. So you guys can fill the form. You guys can send the application form in the relevant address. I will be explaining it again. The regional director, ESI Corporation, Panchdeep Bhavan, Sector 16, near Lakshmi Narayan Mandir, Faridabad 1210002, Haryana. This is the address where you have to send your application form. So I hope everything is cleared, crisp and clear in this video. And if you have any queries, guys, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely respond to your queries. So that's all in this part of the video, guys. Thank you so much and all the best for your future endeavors. And I wish good luck to every one of you. Thank you so much.